Guys, bro, look. So we will be trying to rap snack. So, what the skate Phil? So yeah, let's get one of these out so you can see. Guys, this is what it looks like. You take. This is what it looks like when it's off. See, you see the mixture of chocolate and cookie. So I'll put this. Yeah. So, guys, smash this like button. God dang it! Smash this like button if you like the video, and check out the comment below. Subscribe to the channel. Check out the comment below. Make sure you do that. Then I'll be trying these new bubblegum, can bubblegum. So I am